Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about 5 coins that could 10x for you in the next bull cycle. When the bear market ends and the bulls come out to play, what coins are going to give you that 10x return on your money? I'm going to tell you what I think those coins are in today's video. List them out for you. I'll take you to CoinMarketCap. I'll take you through all of it. But look at the markets here for the day. Bitcoin and Ethereum are pumping. We're going to take a peek at some of that. If you haven't done so already, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Also, fun fact, take advantage of the link in the description down below for Femex. If you guys haven't yet bought Ripple or you've been wondering where to buy Ripple, well, fun fact that Femex is actually a great place to buy that if that's a coin you're interested in. There's some other coins that are on that leverage trading platform that you can't buy elsewhere. Ripple's a great example. If you want to check it out, click on the link. There's $4,100 for you guys when you sign up too, so it's worth a peek. But let's check out the charts here for the day, and then I'll show you guys my top coins for 2023 and beyond. Really, I mean, we're looking at the next bull market, which I've already discussed. I think it's 2024, 2025. But let's take a peek at the charts here for the day. So currently we're looking strong. We're at $1.1 trillion, which is great to see. Bitcoin is actually hanging out right around $24,500, which is great. And Ethereum is eyeing $1,800 right now. So the whole market's pumping. Really exciting to see. But a lot of you guys are probably wondering, well, what are my big winners for the next bull market? Maybe you're saying, I'm bored of Bitcoin. I'm bored of Ethereum. I get it. You got to have some Bitcoin. You got to have some Ethereum. But some of you guys are hungry hunters out there, and you guys are looking at, what are my best return coins? Well, I'm going to give you what I believe are my 10x coins here for the next bull market. So let's start it right out. I was thinking about Binance token, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. I think a 10x on Binance token is a little bit of a stretch. So I'm going to not say, I think it's going to do really well. All cryptos and these top coins are going to do great. I don't think Binance is going to be a 10x for us. But that brings me to my first 10x coin. And I'm going to say that Ripple. I believe that Ripple has a strong shot at a 10x opportunity, which would bring it to $4 for the next bull run. If it wanted to get there, it need to have basically 10x its market cap. That would bring it to $200 billion. And you might say, well, Crypto Kip, that's outrageous. Well, it is a little crazy. But when you think about the price predictions that this Ripple army are giving, that's actually really conservative. A $4 Ripple ain't that crazy, in my opinion, as long as Bitcoin is soaring to that $200,000, $300,000 price level in the next bull run, which a lot of people do believe will happen, myself included. We'll see how it all plays out. But some people are speculating we might even have a super cycle next cycle. We'll see how all that goes. But Ripple is definitely a candidate for a 10x coin. It was suppressed because of the SEC lawsuit against them, and I think it might need its time in the sun here in the next bull market. So keep an eye on Ripple, guys. That is one of my 5 picks. One of my second picks here, and I'm just going to jump straight on down to my favorite coins here. FTX token is one of them. FTX is up 7%. In the last 7 days, it's up 14%. In the last 24 hours, it's up 5%. FTX Exchange bought out a awesome portfolio tracker called Blockfolio just a few years ago. Blockfolio has been around since when I got into crypto back in 2016 and even before then. FTX bought them out and is creating partnerships with not only the MLB and other sports leagues, but they're all over the TV. You cannot avoid seeing them. I even went to a Chinese restaurant and got a fortune cookie, and there was a FTX logo and ad on the back of that fortune cookie. FTX also is one of the strong players here in a space. Now think about this. Voyager and Celsius have been getting rocked lately, and now Coinbase is getting rocked. That is a risk for exchange tokens when you think about it. It's like, oh, exchanges and exchange tokens, scary place to be, you might think. I think the opposite. If everybody's thinking that they're scared, I'm getting excited. These guys are holding the fort down. And if these guys survive FTX, Crypto.com, these exchanges survive all this fear and chaos that's going on with these failing exchanges, then they become the spot where everybody goes to buy the money, and they'll only get bigger. So this bearish news is actually really great news for FTX and other exchanges, which brings me to my number 3 pick, which is Cronos. And Cronos is awesome because of many of the same reasons as FTT and FTX token that I just talked about. They are proving themselves a winner. They're all over ad space. They have their $700 million arena deal down in Los Angeles. They bought out the Staples Centers. So there's so many things going on with them as well. Ad campaigns are tremendous. F1 racing, partnerships, UFC, you name it. Also, a cool thing about Cronos, and I've talked about it, and check out some of my other videos, they've got awesome DeFi going on. They got a lot of DeFi going on. I'm currently earning like 11.86% annual interest on my stack of CRO that's sitting in the CRO and the Cronos DeFi app. So Cronos is my number 3 pick that I'm very excited about. I think it's a 10x. And talking about the numbers on why both of these coins could 10x, I'm going to take you back to Binance Coin, which we talked about earlier. So if Binance Coin is a $47 billion market cap, looking at FTX, you're looking at a $4 billion market cap. And Cronos is below 4. So a 10x on that matches the market cap of Binance. And I do believe that Binance is going to go up significantly. So I'm not saying that FTX and Crypto.com are going to pass Binance in the next bull run. If that did happen, then you're expecting a much bigger gain than 10x on Crypto.com and FTX. But if they just take the place of where Binance is now in terms of market cap, and Binance goes, 5x, $40 billion becomes very, very possible for these coins. And you could easily see, $1.50 Crypto.com. You could easily see a $320 FTX token. I would bet you're going to see almost a $2 Cronos and maybe even a $400, $500 FTX token. Who knows? Maybe more. I'm excited about those two projects. Those are my number 2 and 3 pick. A couple others that I want to note for you guys. I'm gonna get daring with this, and I'm gonna say that I think ApeCoin has a shot at a 10x, but I'm not gonna put it in my official list. Just to say, ApeCoin, keep an eye on that one. Not a meme coin, real project. Let's see how that metaverse plays out. But I'll take you to my 4th pick here, which is Sandbox. Sandbox is a huge metaverse play. It is the number 1 metaverse out there. The graphics are super, super cool. If you haven't taken a look at Sandbox, I highly recommend that you do. It is super, super neat. The graphics are fun, spectacular. Steve Aoki has his own avatar. You even have Snoop Dogg. And you can see on the map all the different people, excuse me, that have some land here in the Sandbox. Look at all these folks. You got Binance, you got Ubisoft, you got some rich folks with some crypto punks, you got CoinMarketCap's got a space, you got, oh my gosh, Pong, you got Atari, Smurfs are even in here. So there is just about everything. I think there's like a Walking Dead, the game, they got their own plot of land. So there is so much going on in Sandbox, and Sandbox is the number 1 when it comes to the metaverse. And if you didn't notice, Facebook, which, it's Facebook, but Facebook changed their name to Meta. And that's on account of, metaverse is coming, guys, and it ain't going anywhere. It's only going to get bigger from here. And I expect, especially with such a low market cap on Sandbox, for no reason should it not be able to get to 10, 20 billion, in my opinion. I think we get a lot of money flowing into the crypto markets on the next bull run, which ain't coming yet, but when it does, if you accumulate your bags now, then you're going to make some money. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Not financial advice, but these are what we're thinking here at the Crypto Report. And another one I'm going to throw at you guys here out of left field. It's not really out of left field. I got to go with KuCoin. KuCoin has only a $1 billion market cap right now. KuCoin is another major exchange that is super awesome. I do love KuCoin a lot. They haven't had too much trouble in the media. Kraken has had some issues, so that's a problem. But KuCoin has their own native token. KuCoin is a great project. You can do some leverage trading there as well. It's a great exchange. You can get you can trade a lot of tokens on that one. And I'm liking KuCoin kind of for the same reason I'm liking FTX and Crypto.com. But honestly, I do believe that FTX and Crypto.com have a greater shot at performing better than KuCoin on account of the advertising that they're putting out there. But I think that KuCoin could ride on the coattails of the glorious exchanges and the survivors of this crypto bear market and get a 10x pump. No reason you can't see a $100 KuCoin in the next bull run. Now, even if we get a 10x, guys, it's up to you. You have got to keep in mind that we got to buy low and then we got to sell high. You got to take some profit. I'm not saying take it all off the table, but take some of that 10x money, buy a car, buy your house, do something with it. Don't keep it all in crypto forever. I'm always keeping some crypto in crypto forever, but we got to take some profits, guys. Very important. So those are my 10x coins. We're looking at Ripple. We're looking at FTX token. We're looking at Cronos. We're looking at Sandbox, and we are looking at KuCoin for now. I think there's some other 10x's out there. If you think you've got one in mind, leave a chat in the comments down below. I want to know what you guys are thinking. This is a show that, I want to interact with my audience. We do intend on getting some live streams coming down the pipeline. Very excited to do that. So we will get that going, guys. But, give us some time with that. Please leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And that's all I got for you. As always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Enjoy the weekend. 30K Bitcoin coming up. Let's see.